Okay, we're here at gotomath.com looking at some calculus problems. Implicit differentiation 4-2 is what I just did in the last problem, so is there a 4-3? And I thought there was, and actually there is. Ooh, that does not look good. We'll need to write that one down. So let's do that. We got 10x squared plus 5xy plus 3y squared is equal to 7. And the reason I don't pause the video and just go straight to the whiteboard is because I'm hoping that you're going to write that down. Because you got to really, it really helps out to know that to learn this stuff if you just write everything down. All right. So we have 10x squared plus 5xy. What else we got? Plus 3y squared plus 3y squared is equal to 7, and I never did look, but it says find y prime. Okay, it says find y prime, but I want to add this. It could say find, it could say that actually, but it doesn't. It could say find dy over dx. It could say find dx over dy, and I think I have one of those problems in here, but I can't remember. I need to add one if I don't. They get, which means every time you take the derivative of x, you write dx over dy next to it, just the opposite. All right, but anyway, so here we go. So the derivative of 10x squared is 20x plus, and so we'll need to use the product rule here. So the derivative of 5x is 5, then we rewrite y, plus, so now we're going to rewrite 5x, and the derivative of y is 1, but you know what, I'm not going to write 1 there, but it is 1. And then we write y prime. Okay, we need to start skipping some steps here at this point in our math career. And then 3y squared, derivative of 3y squared is 6y, and then of course we write y prime. And the derivative of 7 is 0. Derivative of 7 is 0. So now what we need to do is solve for y prime in this problem. And actually, I'm going to do a couple things at one time here. No, wait a minute. No, I'm not. Let's go ahead and, yeah, actually I am. Okay, we're going to take these two over to the right-hand side of the equal sign, and then I'm going to factor out a y prime out of here. So let's just go ahead and factor out the y prime first. And so we end up with 5x plus 6y. Now I'm factoring out the y prime. And now we'll take the 20x and the 5y over to the right, minus 20x minus 5y. Okay, and then of course we have y prime is equal to, now I'm going to factor this negative out. All right, so we're left with 20x plus 5y, and that's going to all be over 5x plus 6y. And we look at our coefficients here, and it doesn't look like we can reduce, because if we reduce, we got to reduce all of them. Okay, we got to reduce all of them, but it doesn't look like we can do that. So we got y prime is equal to negative, and then 20x plus 5y over 5x plus 6y. So let's now move back 20x plus 5y and take a look at what we got. 20x plus 5y, 5x plus 6y, and I do believe that was it. 5x plus 6y. Okay. So there you go. Now remember where we are. We are at go to math.com and I might talk to you there.